Hi folks, welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's tutorial, I want to show you the new latest additional feature of KineMaster application. We call this the magic remover. It is very easy to use this application. If you are interested, watch my tutorial. But before we continue, let's enter first and we will continue our tutorial. Okay folks, let's continue. Open your KineMaster application in your mobile phone or Android phone. So I will tap KineMaster application in my Android phone. And then I'll tap this notification bell so you will know where is that new additional features of the KineMaster. We call this one the magic remover. This one, new features, create incredible effects with magic remover. So you can read all the information below. There is instruction how to use this magic remover. So I will tap this one, 1, 2, then let's go to video editing. So I will tap create new, then tap create. Then first we must to select the first layer. So I will tap the image assets. So I will select this one. Then in this position I will tap this one. Then I will go to layer. Then I will go to media. Then I will select KineMaster and I will select this video. So I will tap the first layer and move with the same length of the second layer. Okay, and let me play this one to you. Good evening everyone, welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's video I want to use this for KineMaster tutorial purposes. Okay, to remove that video background, we must tap this video layer, the second layer, and scroll this going down and look for the magic remover. I will tap this one, and there is notes here, removing. Please don't close KineMaster or turn off your device. So let's finish this removing the video background and let's see what is the result. Okay, it's near now to remove. So if you are a KineMaster user, watch my tutorial. This is for you. This is very easy how to use the magic remover. Okay. Yeah, it's near. Yeah, complete. Yeah, oh, it's removed. That video background. So this one we can move to any place, and we can adjust also the the size and put whatever the position you like. Then let me go back to magic remover and I will show you. I will tap this one, so return back the video background. So I will tap this one, it's removed, because we already run for removing the video background. So what we'll do now is to photo also. I'll tap this one, so we'll make also in photo. So I will tap the media, then I will select my own background. So I'll go to picture, so I will select a background here. I will choose a little bit this one. Okay, and I will tap this one. I will move in this position, then I will go to layer, then media. I will select my photo here. I will select the camera, then I will select what we call this one, the photo here. Yeah, this one. So what we will do is to move again this one and look for the magic, remover. I will tap this one. See, it's removed, and you can place anywhere. And I will make this a little bit big. Yeah, then I will tap again this one, then tap, it's removed. So it is very easy. If you need also to make another background, so tap in this position, make in this position, go to media, go to image assets, and select, the background you like. So I will use this one. So you can, I will tap this one. You can do this in video and photo. So I'll make this, in video. This one. So I will tap the video, then tap these 3 dots, and tap duplicate. Okay, and that duplicate bring to the right side. So I will tap this one, tap again, and move in this position. Yeah, that one. It's okay. Then tap the first layer and adjust to the semblance of the video. This one. Yeah, it's okay. So let's play. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's video, I want to use this for KineMaster tutorial purposes. It's very easy to use. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's video, I want to use this for KineMaster tutorial purposes. I think you learn in my tutorial step by steps. You got and understand. That's it. Okay, folks, that's the end of the tutorial. I think you learned something. Consider subscribe our YouTube channel, ShirlJun Vlogs, and hit notification bell so you'll be notified with our latest video here in my next tutorial.